Vinyl Window Installation in Layton, Utah offers homeowners a chance to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of Vinyl Windows Layton options available, residents can choose from custom vinyl windows, double-hung vinyl windows, and more to suit their specific needs. Vinyl window contractors in Layton provide expert services to ensure a seamless installation process. Energy-efficient windows are a top priority for many homeowners in Layton, Utah. By opting for energy-efficient vinyl windows, residents can significantly reduce their energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Vinyl window solutions in Layton are designed to provide maximum insulation and energy savings. Custom vinyl windows. Layton offer a personalized touch to any home. Homeowners can select from a wide range of vinyl window designs and styles to match their unique preferences. Vinyl window specialists in Layton are available to guide customers through the selection process, ensuring the perfect fit for their home. Window replacement services in Layton, Utah are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of a home. Vinyl window replacement services offer a cost-effective solution for upgrading old or damaged windows. With affordable vinyl windows available, Layton residents can enjoy high-quality replacements without breaking the bank. Vinyl window replacement in Layton is crucial for addressing any issues that may arise with existing windows. Whether it's a minor replacement or a more extensive fix, vinyl window replacement services in Layton ensure that windows remain functional and efficient. Vinyl window experts in Layton are equipped to handle all types of replacements. Double-hung vinyl windows in Layton are a popular choice for their versatility and ease of use. These windows offer excellent ventilation and are easy to clean, making them a practical option for any home. Vinyl window features such as these make them a desirable choice for Layton homeowners. Vinyl window maintenance in Layton is essential for prolonging the lifespan of windows and maintaining their appearance. Regular maintenance services help prevent issues and ensure that windows continue to perform optimally. Vinyl window maintenance. Layton services are available to keep windows in top condition. Affordable vinyl windows. Layton provide a budget-friendly option for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows. With vinyl window deals and discounts available, residents can find cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Vinyl window offers in Layton make it easy to find the perfect windows at the right price. Vinyl window contractors in Layton are dedicated to providing top-notch service and expertise. With years of experience in the industry, these professionals offer vinyl window consultations to help homeowners make informed decisions. Vinyl window quotes in Layton are available to provide a clear understanding of costs and options. Vinyl window suppliers in Layton offer a wide range of products to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. From vinyl window frames to complete window solutions, suppliers in Layton provide everything needed for a successful window project. Vinyl window options in Layton are extensive, ensuring that every homeowner can find the perfect fit.